Hey guys, Jmart here. Oh my gosh, I got a fun project that I want to be doing for this year's Halloween haunt. I wanted to do it last year, but I ran out of time. I bought it, but you see up there, we got a crystal ball. We're gonna do an illusion in it. Let's see here. Can I get it? Come on. Oh, I got it. Woohoo! So this is just an acrylic globe here, and then we got a illusion cloth inside of it, right? So you can see that. And we're gonna mimic a crystal ball effect with it. One of the things I wanted to do is actually show you real quick right here. This is from Toil and Trouble DIY. Zach put together a perfect video how to do this assembly. I'll be kind of playing around with it. I'll put a couple of little shots of mine and his, and I'll make sure to drop his video in the description because you should check it out. He did a really good job putting it together, how to do it, and definitely recommend checking that out if you want to do it yourself. All right, guys, let's take a look at it.